Think about it. You wouldn't expect to run a marathon without training, right? The same goes for your focus. You can't just wish for laser-sharp concentration. You have to put in the work. And just like building muscle, improving your focus takes time and consistency. So let's dive into some practical strategies you can start using today to build your focus muscle. Point 1. Minimize distractions, the foundation. Speaker, this is the bedrock of focus. Imagine trying to lift weights in a noisy gym with people constantly interrupting you. It's going to be tough, right? Your brain is the same way. Identify your biggest distractions and eliminate them. This might mean turning off notifications on your phone, finding a quiet workspace, or even using website blockers to avoid the temptation of social media. Try the Pomodoro technique, working in focused bursts of 25 minutes, followed by short breaks. This structured approach can significantly improve your concentration. Visual. Show examples of a clean workspace, a phone with notifications turned off, and a timer set for 25 minutes. Point 2. Train your mind with mindfulness. Speaker, mindfulness isn't just some trendy buzzword. It's a powerful tool for training your brain to stay present. Think of it as a mental workout for your focus muscle. Start with simple exercises like focusing on your breath for a few minutes each day. This helps you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, allowing you to gently redirect your attention when it starts to wander. Apps like Headspace or Calm can be great resources for guided meditation. Point 3. Prioritize and plan. The strategic approach. Speaker, trying to focus on everything at once is a recipe for disaster. It's like trying to lift every weight in the gym at the same time. You'll end up overwhelmed and exhausted. Instead, prioritize your tasks. Use the Eisenhower matrix. Categorize your tasks based on urgency and importance. Focus your energy on the most critical tasks first. Planning your day or week ahead of time can also help you stay on track and prevent you from getting sidetracked.